Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 2008 SUV. This is an Allure version with the 1.2 130 brake horsepower PureTech petrol engine with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular car is in Nimbus Grey and has done 10 miles. Now the 10 miles has come from the fact that this car was registered by Peugeot UK as a pre-registered car. So again, it's just showing Peugeot as the first keepers on the registration document, and the vehicle is registered September 2018 on a 68 plate. So I hope you enjoy the video.